Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is March 4th, 2024, and it's just a crazy trade of the day. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. I do not recommend you to do this if you're not at used to watching options and trading options and all, especially you're not really giving it. With this particular trade, I'm not giving myself enough time to be right. All I'm doing is scalping the market and seeing what I can do. I'm looking at right now, I'll show you a chart. I'm looking at IWM. I'm looking at a setup where this market is kind of like basing at an area where I kind of think it's a little demand, a little support here. I want to buy this option right here. I would have liked to got in it at 25. I'm going to put it at 26 and see if I can get there. And I'm going to buy 100 contracts. These crazy things that people talk about and all. This is a paper account, first of all. You know, it's $22,600 in order to place this trade. Looking only to make $1,000 on this particular trade and see if it actually works. It is at 25 right now, where I think I was trying to get in at. I think it was 25 or 26. Did it get me in position? I already have a small position there, I believe. Let me see if it can show me that position. I just got that 100 at 25, and usually all I try to make is 10 cents. I might just try to make 5 cents. Yeah, I had got 10 at a price 10 cents higher. Again, I think 10 cents lower. You know, do you position or do you just get out? You know, so now if I make that position being 10 cents low with the 10 contracts, that's $100 down. And so in order to make money on that position, I need to make at least a penny now in order to break even. It's up that penny right now in order to break even on that trade. If I can get a couple of pennies, I'll be okay with that and make a couple $100 on that trade. But I think I can get a little bit more on that trade. So I'm going to go ahead and set up a closing order on this trade. Actually, closing order is 110 contracts, as you can see. I'm going to try to get out at 30 cents if possible. 31 cents. I will probably change that. I'm going to put it at 31 right now. And I'll try to sell all 100 contracts of that. That means I'll be making about $600 on that particular 100 contracts, and losing a little bit on the other one, $50 on the other one. So I end up being about close to a little $400 to $500 after commission, because commission is just kind of killing me here, and all. So let's go ahead and send and see where we're at, and see if this can actually happen pretty quick. And I probably should have put it at 30, but I got it at 28 right now. The market is at 28, 26 right now, 25, 27 right now. See if it can actually push up. What time is it right now? It's 1 o'clock. Let's see if what's going to happen here in these next 5 minutes, because I plan to be out of this trade by then. Since I got in at 25, I would take 27. That would give me $100 clear on the trade. No, it wouldn't even give me $100 clear on the trade after commissions and all. So I need to make at least 3 cents on the trade to clear commissions, since I did 100 contracts and all. So 3 cents will be at 28, and all. That's 228 in order to make some money on this trade. So let's see if that can happen here real quick and all, and be done with this trade. It's at 28 and all, 27, 28, but I need that bid to get there, and because that's where I'll be getting out at, that bid, and I'll see if it can actually do it. And all. As you can see, I don't need it to really break that top. It's one of the things that I'm looking at. And I just needed to get back to this opening line. And if it can get to that opening line, I will be good. And all. So it's at 29, 30, 29. So that trade should be profitable. We can check on our monitor tab and see what's happening there. And it just got me out at 31. And that's all I really want to share. But again, this is sometimes when you get a bad trade in. I could have went a little bit longer, but that's how sometimes you just start scalping the market just to get yourself back to break even. As you can see, I had another trade on also, but this is the trade right here, this 209 trade where I made $640, but you can take almost $100 out of commissions out of that trade with that $60-some and that $70-some. So that's $120 out of that trade for commissions. And as you saw, it took $20-some thousand, $23,000 in order to place that trade. So this is not a trade for everybody. This is not a trade recommendation. It's just sometimes when you see the market and you see the options, how they are trading, you can scalp a few $100s out of here fairly easy. And that's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys having a great day. Hope you guys had a great weekend. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.